Hey everyone, the tank is quite far away from the kitchen and the hot water supply is insufficient. That's why I got the mini tank water heater. Let's check it out. The package is excellent, there's nothing moving inside. It has foam protection on both layers. I bought a 2.5 gallon mini tank water heater, measuring 13 in length, 15 in height, and 12 in width, about the size of 2 palms. The plug cord is 55 inches long, making it very compact for indoor use. This little guy looks great with its premium grade finish. According to the website, it has 4 layers of insulation and holds UL certification, making it very safe to use. Let's see what accessories come with it. You have a mounting kit, user manual. If you're concerned about a high pressure causing leaks, don't worry. The heater comes with a pressure relief valve and a 3.3-inch drain hose. There are 2 ways of installing it. You can simply put it in the cabinet, or if you want to hang it on the wall, it comes with 2 wall holders, which you can screw there, and after that you can simply hang it on the wall. Now let's install this little guy. Just connect the 2 tubes as shown in the diagram. Red side is hot water outlet, the blue one is cold water inlet. For the pressure relief valve, I recommend wrapping it with Teflon tape about 15 times before connecting it to make it sturdy. It took less than 10 minutes to install. After that, we rotate the button to the appropriate temperature and wait a moment for it to warm up. To sum it up, the installation took me less than 10 minutes. The product also has safety certification and comes with all the accessories that you need. If you're still on the fence about which mini water heater to buy, you should definitely give this one a shot.